I'll help Daddy unload the dishwasher. Okay, I'm gonna help Daddy. Okay. Oopsie. Dropped one. You got it? Thank you. Some might think this is dangerous. Yeah, maybe, but we're trained professionals, and you know, we're getting the job done here. Can I just have that from you? Thank you. As you can see, we are professionals. Right, it's all done, right? Except for those, but that's all right. Oh, you're gonna get them? Oh, good job. Oh, big reach. Okay. All right, here you go. Thank you. Alright. Oh, look at the last spoon. That's your spoon, isn't it? Good job. Oh, that's how we empty the dishwasher there.